Hello guys, welcome to Go Capital. Today I'll be talking about the price pathway strategy. So let's go and check the derivative asset and see if this same thing I'll be talking about works. Alright, so let's go and look at the derivative asset. Alright, now you can see this is the volatility 101s. So let's look at this trend also and see if we'll get the same features that we just looked at in the forex market. This is how you trade any asset, whether it is a CFD, whether it is indices, whether it is currency pairs. You will surely find one or two assets that does this consistently for you to see with your bare eyes, and that is what you do to join them. So this market made a move and broke a high, broke this high and also broke this high. So it came back to this one and continued moving up. When it was doing that, it broke another high. What happened? It came back to it again and continued moving up. When it was doing that, it broke a high. It didn't come back to it instantly, but it did in the future. Okay, so then it came back down and went up. It broke this high and came back to it before going back up like this, up like this. Now when this was happening, you would have spotted one or two of these entries to join. You may not necessarily begin the trend with the market because you may not always see it as we are seeing it now after it has been created. You know, we are looking at it in hindsight. This is data that have been created, so it's easier to draw like this. But it is not difficult to trade if you wait for a clear trend to establish itself, because these assets are trending markets. These assets are trending markets. Do you understand me? So let's say as the market kept coming down, created an equal low with this, and then went back up to create another high equal to the previous, then you know something is about to happen. At this point, you don't do anything. Then there's a shift. A shift. This is what you call shift in the structure, shift in market structure, because it shifted and broke this low, and it's now going to create a structure of a downtrend for us to see. Now, once this is established, you know that a downtrend is about to begin. Then you wait for an entry. At this point, you join your entry here. Why am I drawing two lines? Your entry and your stop loss. Very tight entries. Okay, so this is a second opportunity presented for us to join the same trade again. A second opportunity, but the market came down again. You wait because there's an equal low created here. It broke it, it was coming back, and it came back all this way here to give us a third entry on that same block. Okay, a third entry. Now let me clear all of this. Then the market started coming down. This would have created a clear structure for you to see. But let's assume you didn't see all of that. Keep waiting. The market is always there. Keep waiting until the structure becomes clear for your eye to see. Let's say you are missing all of these ones ever since. You keep missing all of these ones. No problem. No problem. The structure is still creating. And then voila, there's no way you will miss this one, except you have not yet understood what I'll be talking about. And if you have not understood it, go to the previous videos in this channel. You are going to see how this is used. Okay, I've mentioned this over and over in this channel. All right, so now you would have joined this one. This one was clear because the market created a move, went up and broke it. Are you seeing this? This is a clear one. Let's assume you also missed this one. This is another clear one here. Very, very clear for you to join the trend. Okay, so this is how you trade. Then broke another low here. What did you see? It came back up twice, tested it and pushed down. All right, so this is how you trade the trend. You join a trend when a structure is broken. Is that clear? So this is the price pathway strategy. It's very simple to look at in the market. This is how you trade Crash 500. I see those of you who want to catch the spikes, the drops, in boom and crash. You will enjoy your account. Stop using indicators, stop using RSI, moving averages. I'm not saying they don't work. I'm not saying they don't give money, but you will lose money easily that way. But when you trade trend like this, looking at the chart alone, only the price chart, did you see me use any other thing here? Just the chart, and you just establish a successful trading career for yourself. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video to someone, comment in the comment section anything that you have to say, any question, and if I see the need for me to react to them, I will react to them, and also make videos about some of the things you are saying in the comments. So this is the price pathway strategy. Hello guys, please subscribe. Don't let this just be a waste of time. Subscribe and let's keep learning together and making money together. All right, so see you next class. Thanks for watching.